Karim Foundation yezze wano nga nayo kigikakatako okudduukirira omwana omuwala mu mbeera gy'asanga enzibu gwe ssebo oba nnyabo omwana omuwala ebimugaana okusoma byo bitono nnyo. Guno mulundi nga gwakuna Karim Foundation nga ajja misinde gino ng'era naye mudduukirize, naye ateekawo embeera okugeza ng'olwaleero muddusi wakuna ku bantu abataano abasooka wano okujja wano musagala okudduka. Sijja nti njagala nnyo kuwangula, njagala birabo, nzijjala okuddukira omulango ogubeera wano.
Proceeds from this run go to fund the education of young girl children across Uganda, taking care of their health so that they can really fulfill their potential. So to everyone who came out today, well done. You're not just running for fitness and wellness, you're also running for purpose.
We are working with implementing partners who are good at delivering interventions. So when we talk to World Vision has done research and has found where the need is. So no, we're not building schools. We are providing solutions that will enable the girls to stay in school. We're not building schools for new schools for girls. No. We are providing interventions. That could be access to clean water to ensure that the girls don't have to go and fetch water. That could be bicycles that we gave in Karamoja to allow the girls to move from long distances.